made it to Punta Del Este, Uruguay. This is our last stop before we get off the ship in Buenos Aires. We were supposed to do a sea line experience, but that got canceled due to an engine failure on the provider's part. So I guess they only have one boat and can't borrow another one. So we're going to go into town and figure out what to do on our own.
Hace tiempo que no nos comemos, nos hablamos pero no nos vemos. Baby, hace tiempo que yo estoy pa' ti y tú hace tiempo que ya estás pa' mí. Hace tiempo que no lo prendemos, nos hablamos pero no nos vemos. Baby, hace tiempo que yo estoy pa' ti y tú hace tiempo que ya estás pa' mí. Cuando pongo una de Nicky me acuerdo de ti. Las noches son más largas y estoy sin ti. Y vamos pa'l party y después pa' tu habitación, tú bailando y un speaker. Piensas en mi bebé, aquí ni se presta ni se fía. Manden lo que quieren que ella es mía. Full en los DM si confía, que nadie como yo se lo haría. ¿De qué pasa, siervo? Que no entienden nada. No somos exclusivas pero solo me lo da. No queremos títulos más, disfrutar es la prioridad. Aunque pase el tiempo nunca cambiará. Llámame a las 9 a las 8 estaré allá. No queremos títulos más, disfrutar es la prioridad. Hace tiempo que no nos comemos, nos hablamos pero no nos vemos. Baby, hace tiempo que yo estoy pa' ti y tú hace tiempo que estás pa' mí. Hace tiempo que no lo prendemos, nos hablamos pero no nos vemos. Baby, hace tiempo.
Well, after a short tender ride, we have made it to Punta del Este in Uruguay. This little port town is a little peninsula, and it is known as the Monaco of the South. It's also known as the Hamptons of the South. It's a touristy resort. Right now we're waiting on an Uber. Been waiting for a driver to connect for about 5 minutes and go into town, into the center of town. But we're going to go check out a hand statue that's been around since the 80s, a lighthouse. We got to go hit Starbucks, of course, and then figure out what else to do. So, pretty interesting. The weather's pretty nice. It's about 75. It's going to be the high, a little windy, but keeps the bugs away and the heat down. So I'm looking forward to it. Situated on Uruguay's southeastern coastline, Punta del Este is a paradise for tourists, offering a perfect blend of natural beauty, vibrant culture, and luxurious living. Known as the St. Tropez of South America, this glamorous city boasts pristine beaches, chic resorts, and a lively nightlife that leaves visitors enchanted. So we're at the Faro de Punta del Este, which is the lighthouse right in Punta del Este. It is right there. So you cannot go into the lighthouse. You can just come and take pictures of it. But it's pretty cool because I like lighthouses. They light up my life. Just kidding. Now, if you're traveling with kids, there is a small park right next to the lighthouse. It's got some light activities for the kids, but a lot of open area for them to run around, and there are picnic tables. So if you want to grab a bite at one of the local shops and bring it here and let them run around, it'd be a great place to do it. right now we're working on walking to the hands in the sand. And this town's very quiet and it's very aromatic. I guess aromatic. I'm not an English professor, but it smells nice because they have all these fragrant little flowers above and beside you as you walk along the street. It's very nice, very quiet. Got a couple lots that are for sale. If you are thinking about moving to Uruguay, Punta Del Este may be the place for you. We're in Punta del Este at the Hand in the Sand. It was put here in 1982 by a Chilean artist, and it's been one of the biggest attractions since. So we're getting ready to go get the hand and talk to the hand. I don't know if I can give it a high five. It'll take like 5 of us to give a high five to the sand hands. One of Punta del Este's most recognizable landmarks, the arresting sculpture La Mano, also known as the hand, and also known as Los Dedos, the fingers. Created by Chilean artist Mario Irizabal during the International Meeting of Modern Sculptures in the Open Air, held in Punta del Este in 1982. This striking sculpture features 5 giant fingers partially submerged in the sand, symbolizing a drowning hand. Located on Brava Beach, La Mano serves as a visual caution to beachgoers about the area's potentially dangerous surf. The monument is not just a popular photo spot for tourists, but also an iconic symbol of Punta del Este's artistic and cultural spirits. The city's culinary scene is a gastronomic adventure offering a delightful mix of local flavors and international cuisine. Their traditional asado or barbecued meat is a staple in your Uruguayan food. It is a must try.